Hello, this is Amy from SKILLTECS.com. This video briefly outlines the planning process in 6 main steps. Here is the planning process flowchart which we are going to learn. Every plan starts with a goal. However, to define a goal accurately, it should be SMART, which means specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timed. Yet it is important to keep in mind the future predictions, along with analyzing the current situation, because such information will lead to step 2, which is determining objectives. Objectives should be within the organization's capacity, while considering challenges that might lead the planning process to a whole new direction. Step 3 is determining alternatives, in the light of the goal you have set, and the analysis you have made in the previous steps. In this step, develop as many ideas and solutions as possible. That will lead to step 4, which is evaluating alternatives. Evaluate the alternatives you have determined in step 3. Step 5. Selecting the optimum alternative. The optimum alternative corresponds with your capabilities, time frame, and available resources. Finally, execute the alternative. This is step 6 of the planning process, to put your plan into action. However, it is important to follow up and get feedback to make sure your actions are correspondent with the plan and to detect any setbacks in the execution. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit SKILLTECS.com to learn about planning and much more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and learn about business and management.